Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of integers. This is 8th question of its exercise 6.1. So the question says that write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. So to find out greater than minus 20, so हम minus 20 में 8 कर देंगे plus 1 to get 4 integers greater than minus 20. So minus 20 plus 1, then minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16 are the 4 integers greater than minus 20. B part में find out करना है. Write 4 negative integers less than minus 10. So to find out less than minus 10, then we subtract positive integers from minus 10. Minus 10 minus 1, minus 10 minus 2, minus 10 minus 3, minus 10 minus 4. So जगह minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14. So minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14 are the 4 integers less than minus 10. Thank you.